ball game. We're going to the third quarter. Perfecto Elementary School. By jersey number 00, Gary. Pass to Beltran for 3. For Beltran George. Crossword pass to 00. Pass pass. Uy, walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Guys. 3 points para sa San Perfecto. 36-38. Sagutan ng 3. Ay na, Gary umatake, wala, rebound by 00. Outlet pass, nagmamadali, number 93, UC Douglas, basket. Tabla tayo sa 38. Steve. Nagmamadali, Steve, side step, binigay, out of bound. Bola rito ng San Perfecto Elementary. 00, may tahan ng bola. Running shot using Douglas. Basket is good. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa San Perfecto Elementary School. Number 11 to number 18. Bounce pass. Beltran for 3. No good. Rebound by 00. Outlet pass. Number 93. Napalakas nga lang. Thank you. Ayan na ang Kabayanan. Steve setting on the play. Steve crossover, umatake, short, rebound by 00. 00 nagmamadali. The guy, number 93, no good. Rebound by Steve. Steve, pass to George. George for 3, wala. Rebound by number 7. 0 for 3, no good. Para straight. Ken. Gusto ko lang konti dyan. Kita ko para, thank you. Diyan lang. Ako na dyan. Thank you. Steve. Nasa corner for 3. Wala. Rebound by George. George sa tapigan. Out of bound. That's that. Same ball. Wala. Rebound, 93. Nabitawan. Out of bound. Kabayanan. Integrated School Basketball. Steve. Pass to Gary. Binale. Yes, with the brass. Tabla ulit tayo sa 40. Number 7, no good. Rebound by Steve. Nagmamadali. Umatake, wala. Rebound. Naggagawan. 5 minutes and 32 seconds. 0-0. Quick. Stop and pump. No good. Rebound ng Kabayanan. Pass to Steve. Bounce pass to Gary. Gary. Oh. That's a foul. Number 16. Gary Valdez on the free throw area. Second shot is good. 42-40. Uy, natapigay. Nakarig over. Pass number 16. What an extra pass. Basket. By number 93. Tabla ulit tayo sa 42. Steve. Sharing on the screen. Steve, binigay sa corner. Zep Franco, drop pass na, bitawan. Out of bound. Substitution. By number 16. Number 16 guy. Uy. Out of bound. Last touch. Kabayanan Integrated School Basketball. For ball movement, Zep Franco. Block by 0-0. Out and pass. Number 93. All the way. Basket is good. Minutes and 36 seconds. Number 30. What extra pass? Walang tawag. Block by number 17. Minutes and 28 seconds. Rosales, pass to number 10. Cross-court pass to Zafranco. Pass to Gary. Gary, 4-3. Gary Valdez. Ay na, number 17 gets the foul by Zafranco. Wala pa tayong penalty, guys. Wala rito na sa perfecto. Number 17. Give and go. Out of bound. Kabayanan Integrated School Basketball. 3 minutes left na ating third period. Pastor Rosales. Drop pass at Franco. Basket. Chelsea combination. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa Kabayanan. Number 13. 0-0. Matake. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha rin sa Franco. Pass number 5 to number 10. No good. Rebound. Number 13. Kick out to Rosales. Rosales. Oh, sorry. That's Franco. Gets the foul. shooting for two. First shot is good. Second shot, no. Rebound, makakuha ng Kabayanan. Number 13, running shot, no good. Rebound ng San Perfecto, double zero, too strong. San Perfecto basketball. One minute and 56 seconds. Number 93, 4-3, no good. Rebound. Pass number 93, wala. Rebound by Rosales. There's a foul. One minute and 45 seconds. Oh, last touch. San Perfecto basketball. Number 16, 4-3, no good. Rebound. Rosales. To number 13, wala. Rebound by number 17. Out and pass here by Gary. Gary. Oh, good. To number 16. Gets the foul for Gary Valdez. Substitution. Ong. Nadaw to Ong. Oh, steal. Number 10 all the way. Easy good boy. Tawag ang ating referee doon. Last 51 seconds, natin third quarter. Ong. Out and pass. Number 93. So that's number 7. Running shot, using the board. Basket yan. Number 27. Number 18. Wala. There's a foul. Jersey number 18 for Kabayanan Integrated. That is good. Second shot, basket. 54-46. Number 16, natapigan, steal, Kabayanan, out and pass. Number 0, block from behind. For save. 7-6. Oh, wala pa rin. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score, 52-46 in favor of Kabayanan Integrated School. Tayo sa dulo ng ating pinaka-exciting part ng game, ang fourth and last quarter. Muli maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga bumubuo ng ating liga, especially to our San Juan City parents and teachers and basketball. Ayan, unahin na po natin ang ating venue. Maraming salamat po sa ating barangay council sa pangunguna ng ating butihing barangay captain ng Timbaga na si Cap Totoy Ga and their barangay council. Maraming pong salamat sa pagpapairan po ng court. Ayan. And syempre, nandito rin ang Cucurio Cosmetics by the help of our beloved the Legarda family, Sir Ben, Sir Benito, and Sir Legarda. Sorry. Ayan. And syempre, di natin makakalimutan ang ating butihing Mayor Francis Zamora and the rest of our Kaangbarang City Council. Fourth quarter, let's go! Number 17. Running shot, basket. 48-52, out and pass. Number 8, what a goal to number 10, no good. Rebound by Ong. Ong. Fake. Drop pass, nabitawan. What a save. Number 16, nag-aagawan. Makuha rito ni Steve. Steve nagmamadali, bounce pass to Gary. Gary umatake, gets the foul. Foul number 7. Shooting the line, the jersey number 21, that's Gary Valdez. First shot is good. Second shot for Gary. Wala, rebound. Makuha pa rin ni Gary. Gary binigay. Number 10, spin move using the glass and score. 55-48. Balik sa pito ang kalamangan ng Kabayanan Integrated School. Ong. Oh, there's a foul. Kay Gary. Number 93. 4-3, no good. Rebound, number 17. Number 17, side step, using the glass and score. Ayan na, baba sa 5 ang lamang ng Kabayanan. Out and pass. Steve setting on the play. Pass to Gary sa corner, wala, rebound. Makuha ni Ong, out and pass. What a pass, number 93. And score. 55-52. Baba sa tato ang lamang ng Kabayanan Integrated. Number 18, 4-3, no good. Rebound. Thank you. Gary. Umatake. Basket. For Gary Valdez. Oh. Number 93. Night away. Number 16. Back to number 16. Pinasa loob. Number 93. Wala. Rebound by Steve. Pass number 18, too strong, rebound, makuha ng San Perfecto. Out and pass, not pass. Time out. San Perfecto. Tingnan natin dito ang hadal ng San Perfecto. Call a time out. nakalusot. Nice shot para kay Ong. 57-54. Pass to Rosales to Steve. Steve, run and shot, wala. Rebound by number 17. Natabilan, makakuha. Yung for a ball movement, short. Number 16, basket. 57-56, 1 point lead para sa Kabayanan. Integrated, another steal ba? Zafranco will recover, spin, drop pass to Gary Valdez. Finding open man. Ayan na. Number 7. Number 7 for 3. Bang! Yes, para sa Andres. My jersey number 7. Tabla na tayo sa 59. Kalahati na po ng oras na natin natitira. Uy, there's a foul. By number 15. 16 rather. Gary to Rosales. Rosales, binigay. Gary. Nakalusot si Gary doon. Depensa naman ang isang Kabayanan. But there's a foul. Nagkakait na dito ang dalawang point guard ng kabilang panig. Pero bati naman sila na. Time remaining 5 minutes and 34 seconds. Number 17. Wait. Number 16. And wow! Basket count. May kasama pang foul by jersey na. Bebe. Session na po. Nakakagulo na po dahil dito. 61 all. One shot, that's good. Steve nakalusot. Pass to Rosales to Zafranco. Basket for Zafranco. Crossover. Pass number 7. Number 7 for 3. No good. The save. Number 93 blocked by number 10. Foul. Let's go! Bola rito ng Kabayanan. Steve. Gets that read. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni Rosales to Zafranco. Zafranco for 3. No good. Oy, wala. Rebound. Pass to Ong. Ong will recover. Pass to Ong. Ong. Pass. Number 17. Basket. My jersey number 17. Change favor. Balik ang Kalamangan sa San Perfecto. 64, 63. Rosales. Uy, there's a foul. Offensive foul. Si George. Grabe yun. Ang depensa na pinapakita ng San Perfecto. Time out dito ang Kabayanan Integrated School. Time remaining 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga official. Ayan, si Ma'am Sheila Aglipay, Sir Roderick Cordovilla. Ayan, shoutout po to all our leaders, our committee and staff na ating San Juan City Federation. Mabuhay po kayo. Back to the ball game po tayo. Bola rito ng San Perfecto. Number 7 to all. Ball movement, number 16, running shot, no good, rebound, number 18, gets the foul. Double zero, that's in third personal foul penalty. Masusubukan dito si number 18 on the free throw area. Wala. Time remaining 3 minutes and 23 seconds ng ating laban. Ayan na. Tabla tayo sa 64. Number 16. Pass to Ong. To number 17. Nasa loob para save to number 16. Pass to number 7 to Ong. Pass number 17, trap pass, steal ng Kabayanan. Number 18 to number 9. To number 18, umatake, gets the foul. Number 93. Penalty ang San Perfecto rito. Another 2 shots for jersey number 18 on the free throw area. First shot is good. Second shot, basket for Purdue. Pinapakitang gilas dito ni number 18. Lamang ang Kabayanan Integrated School ng dalawa. 64, 64, 63, 64. Time out muna dito ang San Perfecto Elementary School. Ball game po tayo. Two minutes and 52 seconds. Number 7. Pass the ball. Number 17. To number 93. Oh, basket by number 93. Tabla ulit tayo sa 66. Gary. umatake. Wala. Rebound by Gary. Gary! It's a foul. Two shots for Gary. Valdez. Kabayanan integrated. That's a 6, 7. Ayan na. Oh. 4-2 for Gary Valdez. Last 2 minutes tayo. Number 7. Kick out. Oh. Out of bounds. Steve. 5 seconds to shoot. Steve, derecho. Wala. Rebound. Number 17. Steal by Gary. Back to Steve. Steve, crossover. Steve, derecho, wala, oy, too strong, rebound by number 17, Valdez na foul, penalty. Both teams under penalty situation. Masusubukan na crucial free throw by jersey number 17 on the free throw area. That's Corona. Basket! Hindi pwede daw yan, sabi. Hindi Corona. Second shot para kay number 17. Ayan na. Wala. Rebound. Ayan na, nagagawan. Oh! Bola rito, ng San Perfecto Elementary School. Ang correction. Jumble po tayo, bola ng Kabayanan. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Steve. Last 1 minute tayo. Steve, pass to Gary. Gary. Ayan na, derecho, up and under, and score for Gary Valdez. Time out, San Perfecto Elementary School. What a nice move for Gary. Official score, 70-67. Time out muna dito ang San Perfecto. With the time remaining, last 48 seconds on the game clock. Di pa tapos ang laban, may 48 segundo pa tayo. Malapit-lapit na tayo sa dulo. Sino kaya ang tatanghalin bagong kampiyon? Maibabalik kaya sa Kabayanan Integrated School ang kampyonato or magkakaroon tayo ng bagong kampiyon? Let's go! Number 3, 4-3, bang! What a dagger! 3 points! jersey number 3. That's Mosby in the house. Wow! What a big shot for Mosby. Jersey number 3. Ayan na. Back to the ball game. Gary. Pinagay. What an open man. Sa Franco. Last 33 seconds na po ang natitira. Number 17. Di pa na po sa laban. Ong. Kick out. Mosby for 3. Wala. Rebound. By sa Franco. Oy! Ayan na. Tumira sa tres. Wala. At dito na po. Nagtatapos ang ating laban. Grabe yun. What an intense game. Woo! What a good game from both team. Grabe si Maligid. Mosby. Kaso hindi nakasagot ang Kabayanan doon. Pero back-to-back basket. At muli sila ang itinangal na kampyon. Ayan sa ating season 4, if I'm not mistaken. Congratulations, our final score, 74-70. Panalo po ang Kabayanan. Pare! Felix! Shoutout, shoutout! Champion, champion! Wow, grabe yun! Balik ang kampyonato sa Kabayanan Integrated School! And a nice game. Siyempre, credits pa rin sa San Perfecto Elementary School. Grabe ang laban na yun. This season. Alright! Maya-maya magbabalik po tayo para sa ating awarding ceremony. Marami pong salamat sa inyong panonood. And God bless everyone.